How to create a landing page in WordPress using Elementor. Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can create a professional landing page using Elementor on WordPress. First of all, you need to install a plugin named Starter Template. I'll search here Starter Template, click enter. I'll install this starter template. Click on install now and then click on activate. Once it's activated, this interface will appear on your screen. Here you need to select page builder. I'll click on WordPress. Now here are some templates. As you can see here, you will also find some premium templates and some free template. I'll search for landing pages. I'll use this blogger template, and from here now you can edit landing page. You can upload a logo here. Let's upload a logo. I'll select this logo and then click enter. Okay, so my logo will appear here. I can also increase the logo width and then I'll click on continue. You can also change the colors. Here are some color schemes. You can select from them. Let's say I want to select this color scheme, and from here you can change the font. I'll select this font, then click on continue, then click on skip and continue. And here you need to tell them a little bit about yourself, your first name and your email, and are you a beginner, intermediate or expert with this, and why you are building this website. Then click on submit and build my website. So they will start installing required plugins. As you can see, it's in process. Now click on visit your website, and this is the landing page. As you can see, this is how you can create a landing page in WordPress using Elementor. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.